Hi everyone, welcome to the Unboxing 2020 channel. So today we are going to we're going to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max mobile phone, and we're going to talk about the features of the product today. So before getting into the video, I would request all the viewers to subscribe to the channel. So without much delay, let's get into the iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. So if you see this, so you have the iPhone 12 Pro Max mobile phone. So we bought a golden color mobile phone. So this is how the golden color looks like. This is the front side of the phone, and this is the back side, and this is the front side of the phone. So now we switched on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and so the iPhone 12 Pro Max, basically I think there are two models here, iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, and this is the 12 Pro Max 128 GB capacity phone. And so both the 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max comes with three different capacities. It comes with 128 gigabytes, and it comes also with 256 GB, and it also comes with the 512 gigabytes as well. So 12 Pro Max weight, if you see, it's about 226 grams is the weight of the phone, and 12 Pro, if somebody is using it, it's about 187 grams. The difference between 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, if you see, I think 12 Pro Max weighs about 39 grams more it's way more. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with four finishing touches. We have the gold color finishing touch. It also comes with three additional finishing. One is the Pacific blue, and other one is silver, and it also comes in the graphite finishing touch as well. So we have bought the gold color finishing touch. And if you see the display of this particular screen, so it comes with the OLED display, which is an organic LED display, which is typically helps to push the screen color brightness. So that's how it is. And if you see the chip of iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's a A14 Bionic smartphone chip. It's the first nanometer chip in the industry, and it increases the efficiency for the battery life as well. And it claims it's faster, 50% faster CPU. And let's get into the camera now. So it has three cameras in the back side, and there is one front camera as well. So the cameras, if you see, it all comes with the 12 megapixel camera, which has an ultra wide, wide, and telephoto cameras. And let's see the zoom capacity of this. It comes with, say, for example, you could see 0.5, 1x, and 2.5x. So 2.5x optical zoom in is the option here, and zoom out, if you see, I think it has 2x kind of an optical zoom out, and it also claims it has a 5x optical zoom range, and in the digital zoom it can go up to 12x. So that's the capacity. Now we are seeing the 0.5 12 Pro Max weight 39 grams more than the 12 Pro. And if you see the 12 Pro Max, it comes with 6.7 inches. It's kind of a display, and the display is about Super Retina XDR display. So XDR stands for the Extreme Dynamic Range display it has. And whereas 12 Pro comes with 6.1 inches. And anybody would like to compare between, say, 11 Pro Max and 12 Pro Max. 11 Pro Max comes with 6.5 inches display, and 12 Pro Max is with 6.7 inches. It's 0.2 inches. The screen size is, the display screen is bigger than the 11 Pro Max. And if you see the material here, this is a stainless steel material. So that's what the material is all about. And if you see the shield of the phone, it comes with the ceramic shield. So from the price point, if you see the iPhone 12 Pro Max, I'm talking about two different capacities. One is 128 GB, that cost around 1,29,900. And you also have the iPhone 256 GB capacity, which cost around 1,39,900. And again, we have compared this with the lot of online e-commerce portals as well as the retail stores also. We couldn't see any of the much price difference, so we bought this from on the retail store only. But then, having said that, these prices are subject to change, and you can check with either an online portal or a local retailer of yours. The pricing could be different based on the various schemes the local vendors could launch, or a lot of the e-commerce websites could launch. So I would urge you to compare the prices, and then you can take a call accordingly. And I just wanted to kind of complete with the one little added feature for the features of the iPhone 12 Pro Max mobile phone. Um, these are the details which we collected from various sources. I would request all of you to kind of, for any further details, you can go through the vendor Apple website and then go through all the features, and you can also compare by yourself. And for any additional clarifications as well, you can go through the website. It has all the complete details with it. And this information is like we collected from various sources, which we presented to you today. And I just want to also give you a little tip in terms of how to switch off and switch on this iPhone, because in the older versions, if you see, you have to click this particular button a little long so that the iPhone will switch off and start as well. But here in this case, if you're going to switch it on, press this button for quite some time, then it's going to just open up the Siri mode for you here, which you can see here. So it doesn't get switched on.
That may be beyond my ability.
And you need to switch it on either, I think you have to press this particular button and either the volume up or down button, both together. So then that is what will help you to kind of slide to power off mode. So you can power off with that particular mode. Again, you need to switch it on, again you need to click both the buttons together. It will help you to again switch it on as well. So that's about it. So thank you for watching this video, and I would request all the viewers to subscribe to the channel once again. Looking for your support. Thanks.